Hey guys, which is 650. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing great. So have a great weekend. Today is Sunday. So last Sunday, especially last Sunday, I thought of I ordered two items from Zana. So Zana, you know that it's a very popular brand where they manufacture all kind of hard items. So hard items in the sense, probably you can see I fitted the crash guard from Zana only 3 years back. So it's really sturdy and it's working still fine, great till now. So there are many kind of hard items they are doing. For example, you can check on their websites. I'll just show you here or here, yeah, here in this video, the items what they use and what are the brands they are doing these kind of hard items. For example, saddle stay, carriers, backrest, crash guards, okay, crash guard, frame sliders for race bikes. So you know, whatever the super bike or whatever the vintage bike you have, whatever the modern bikes you have, so they are having hard items. They are producing these kind of hard parts for your bike, for your safety and your enhancement of look or whatever it is. So that is the thing. So you can check on their website. So I have seen the price ranges. It's really minimal. Otherwise, I have ordered these two products from Zana. So you can see Zana, they have, I just ordered a oil cooler. So you can check, this is an oil cooler. So our bike has an oil cooler, right? So for this oil cooler you can have this guard. So already, yes, they have a guard in default. They have a for Interceptor, they have an oil cooler guard, but the thing is, it is not protecting the the main core here, right? That oil circulation passage tube, we can say, which is hard only, but it has to be protected, right? So that is why I thought of ordering these two also, because Zana, I think they have a very good technical persons, where they design in the terms of efficiency manner and in a looks manner. I guess they are doing their best job in this sector. This is a headlight grill, so which is going to be fitted here in front of the headlamps, so it will protect the headlamp also. So why I done is, in the sense, I plan to do some off-roading in the future, so it might help me a lot, because you can see from the other bikes or the small stones, you can check on that, small stones or anything will be coming and hitting on this oil cooler. In the sense, it will certainly damage these kind of areas, right? So that is why I thought of ordering this. And another thing, if I make my bike to fall down, I don't want to get damaged these headlamps, because yes, it is really costly one. Yes, if I want to replace it, in the sense, it makes more bucks. So I thought of protecting this. So I thought I ordered this headlight grill. Yes, with our home tools we can fit these items. So that is what the main thing is. So I thought of making a video of it. So as you can see, this Zana, this headlight grill, I want to talk it specifically because it is completely a single piece manufactured or single piece item. So there is not you can't see any welding joints here. Yes, there is no welding joints. How they have done, in the sense, according to my knowledge, they have done these kind of stainless steel plates. They have gone through various die. Okay, there will be a die will be there where they will punch and they will bend the metal sheet like this, and then they might have do this kind of laser cuts. So these are all completely laser cuts. So you can see it's completely perfect finish. Okay, only a laser cut will give you a maximum amount of perfect cut. And this one, yes, this Union Jack, it's heavy. Yes, it's heavy. Why? In the sense, yes, they are given this kind of metal plates. Yes, it's aluminum. So I'll just tell you whether it's aluminum or not. Yes, we can check, right? So I have this headlight. I don't have a magnet now. So these neck bands, they have magnets, right? So I'll just try to stick on it, because they stick each other, right? So you can see here. Now we'll see whether it's sticking or not. It's not sticking. Okay, it's not completely sticking. You are wondering why this is made of aluminum. So why aluminum? In the sense, they are mostly gives you 100% thermal efficiency. So that is the thing, thermal efficiency, in the sense how much heat it will release, okay, from an object. Here, yeah, so these are the tools that is required actually. So I have this 12 mm T-spanner. We can steer 10, 12 double hand, and the 6 mm Allen key, and this is very small. I don't know the size, it's not engraved here. So this is a 10 rings. And okay, so how these things will come, in the sense, this is the front plate and this bracket will go at the back. Okay, so like this. Okay, like this it will get fit. So this is an oil cooler, so there's no extra nuts and bolts, but you can see that, yes, this is what the sponge, okay, that they firmly fit inside it, and the wire mesh is there. this is completely a Zana product. Okay, so yeah, so to make it the video more simple, I just loosen this. It's in the sense the headlamps will completely dismantled. Okay, they'll fall off. And you need this. Okay, suppose in this case if it is giving some resistance, yeah, just do it like this, they'll move inside. So to secure that, I need these kinds of bolts here. Okay, then so all done. This is the frontal part. The Zana will be at the top view. Okay, so it will be at the top view. Good. If you fit it to one side, now it will be very easy if you can fit on the other side. Yeah. So now we will adjust these headlamps. Okay, I'll just adjust it right way before tightening it. Okay, I think now it's perfect, right? In my point of view, it's perfect. So for oil cooler we need this panel, that is more than enough. Okay, this is enough, and we'll have this. So now we'll first remove the old oil cooler. For this video purpose, I've already loosened it. Okay, so finally done. So you can see here the sponges are there, right? That will fit. And so before that I need to clean it. Just clean it, a quick clean. So make sure that do it soft near this fins. Okay, these fins are so soft that if you do it much harsh in the sense, the fins will get damaged directly. You can see here, yeah, it goes inside. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So you can see here how this looks, right? So it's really nice now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So you can fit in your home if you have good tools, right? That's the thing. So if you have tools enough, there is much more, there's more than enough. So there's no metal to metal in contact or anything else, so it fits really fine. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. I really like this oil cooler and that headlight grill. So the products are there in the descriptions, so fit it and ride it safe. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any doubts, do comments, sure I'll reply. So we'll have conversations about the products as well. So bye, see you, bye.